Right, and now that you have your halves, now we're going to make the quarters. So this is when we're going to use the third circle. We're going to fold it in half, right? In half. And now one thing that is important, make sure that these edges are lined up or close to lined up. Mine are not perfect, but if they're too far away from each other, it's not going to look good. So make sure you're as close to the middle as you can. Let's see, it's being a little bit difficult right now for some reason. Okay, sometimes it likes humans. Let's see. Alright, it's being a bit difficult right now, guys, so just bear with me. Dun, dun, dun. So then I'll show you what I'm gonna do. So I fold it in half, and I fold it again in half, and it looks like a quarter, right? How do I know? Check it out. Okay, so it is exactly a quarter of an hour. And now we can cut them. I don't even have to open them all the way up. I can just use my scissors here, right in the line, right? And I have two halves. We're doing quarters, so I'm just gonna quickly cut them into quarters, right? And now you're gonna label them. And when you label them, they will look like this, right? And look, if I place them right on our clock, does it make it 4/4 of an hour? Make an hour? Muy bien, chicos. Right now, so now that you have this, you can put some keywords here to remind you. So one thing I would do is maybe make a line in the middle. You can use a ruler so it's straight, and then here you can say the word past, right? Because anything on this side, you'll have to say the word past, and then here is the word to, right? These are just reminders. You can underline them, you can circle them, you can make them bigger, however you like. Now you can find something to make your hands, and I found straw, which I cut into two, right? Into two different, one longer than the other one. So this one will be our hour, and this one will be I'm going to put it right here, and this one will be our minutes. Okay, so I'm going to do it right there. Okay, and one of the things that you can do is you can go and ask somebody at home, hey, can you put the straws or whatever you use, you can use pipe cleaners, popsicle sticks, pieces of paper, it doesn't matter, you can use whatever you like, and then they can put the hands in two different places, and you can tell us the time. Remember that this will help you. Oh, and even better yet, you can always write the words quarter, right? Right, you can do that, and then this one will be half, right? That's even more useful now, all right? So then these are here to help you, and can you tell what time is it there? Okay, so it is between 2 and 3, so that means it is 2, and it's here past, and how many minutes? What fraction is that, right? Half. So half past 2, right? Yeah, that's all for today. After, if you finish this and you practice a little bit, you can go and play the same dice game that you played yesterday, or the online clock game that could be played in English o español. ¿Está bien? Hola chicos, adiós, adiós.